If you're seeing the Gmail error 001, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help Gmail load properly again, and these steps work especially well when the problem is caused by browser issues, corrupted cache, or a bad extension. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to test Gmail in incognito mode. This is one of the quickest ways to find out whether the issue is coming from your browser settings, cookies, or extensions. Open your browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose New Incognito Window or Private Window, depending on the browser you use. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Now check whether Gmail loads normally. If Gmail works fine in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is connected to your regular browser session, which is great because that gives us a clear direction for the next fix. If Gmail is still not working properly, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Google services, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. To do this, click the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of every extension installed in your browser. Start turning them off one by one. After disabling each extension, go back to Gmail and check whether the error is gone. This step may take a little bit of time, but it's the best way to identify the exact extension causing the conflict. Once you find the one that breaks Gmail, leave it disabled or remove it completely. That alone can solve the issue for many users. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is clearing your browsing data. Over time, your browser stores cookies, temporary files, and cached images that can become outdated or corrupted. When that happens, websites like Gmail may stop loading correctly or show strange errors. To clear this data, click the three-dot menu in your browser, choose Delete Browsing Data, and then select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Make sure those options are checked, then click Clear Data. After the process finishes, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail. Sign back in and see if the error has disappeared. In many cases, this step refreshes the browser and fixes the problem immediately. If Gmail still shows the error after that, repeat the first two steps carefully. Open Gmail in incognito mode again to confirm the browser itself is the issue, and then double check your extensions to make sure nothing is still running in the background. Sometimes a browser restart is also helpful after clearing data because it fully resets the session and lets Gmail start fresh. The good news is that these three steps solve most Gmail error 001 problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. In order, test Gmail in incognito mode, disable extensions one by one, and then clear your browsing data. These are fast, safe, and effective fixes that anyone can follow. If this video helped you fix the Gmail error 001, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.